Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get crisp mic audio in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to mic/aux and click the small icon right beside it. Then select Filters from the menu that appears. This will open up the Audio Filters window where you can fine-tune your microphone settings for better sound quality. On the left side of the Filters window, click the plus icon. Then select Noise Gate from the list and click OK. The noise gate is essential because it helps cut out background noise when you're not speaking, giving you cleaner audio overall. Now, navigate to Close Threshold and use the slider to move it to the left side, setting it to -45. This controls when the gate closes and stops letting sound through. Next, navigate to Open Threshold and use the slider to move it to the left side as well, setting it to -35. This determines when the gate opens to let your voice come through clearly. Now, on the left side again, click the plus icon, then select Noise Suppression and click OK. Make sure you have RN noise selected, as this is the most effective option for removing unwanted background noise while preserving the quality of your voice. This filter works in real time to eliminate static, hums, and other distracting sounds. Next, in the bottom left, click the plus icon once more, then select Compressor and click OK. The compressor evens out the volume levels of your audio, making sure your voice stays consistent whether you're speaking softly or loudly. This is particularly useful for maintaining professional-sounding audio throughout your stream or recording. Once you've added all these filters, click Close in the bottom right to save your changes. Now, in the upper left corner of OBS, click File, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open the main settings window where you can adjust additional audio parameters. In the left panel, click Audio to access the audio settings. At the top, navigate to Sample Rate, and right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select 48 kHz. This sample rate is the industry standard for high-quality audio and ensures your recordings sound professional and clear. In the bottom right, click Apply to save your settings, then click OK to close the settings window. OBS needs to be restarted for these changes to take full effect. When prompted, click Yes to save your changes and allow the application to restart. And that's it. You've successfully configured your microphone for crisp, clear audio in OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.